Hey everybody, thanks for checking out our video today, and look at this beauty. 2009 Audi A4 Cabriolet S-Line. Just serviced it, only 96,000 miles on it. Really good, really nice car here. We'll just point out one little blemish there, a couple of chips on the trunk, a little bit of a mark there. But overall, for a 09, this thing is really clean. Like I said, we just serviced it. It drives great. You can see on the front bumper cover, there's a little mark right there. But overall, I mean, she is a beautiful car. Soft top works. Go ahead and show you the inside. It's really clean. Beautiful gray leather. Back seats in it are like brand new. Go ahead and crank her up. 96,748 miles. Heated seats, really nice car. If this is something you're interested in, please give us a call, 228-438-2056. Or you could text us or email us at theautoconnectllc@gmail.com. You can check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you know somebody who might be interested, definitely share it with them. And if you have a Audi, Porsche, or Volkswagen and you're in the South Mississippi area and need any type of service work done, no matter how big or small, give us a holler.